here from the Handmaidens, and today I wanted to take you on a quick little run through of something that I do for my family to keep us healthy and keep the house clean in a matter of moments for maybe $1, $1.25, depending on what essential oils you would use. Today we are making disinfectant, reusable disinfectant wet wipes, okay? So, I had went online and to see if I could order all natural disinfectant wipes online. Problem with that was that they were like super expensive. And I looked at what they had for ingredients, and I toyed around with some of the things I had been researching, and I came up with this super simple, super fast, super cheap way to make disinfectant wipes that you can reuse, so you are, one, having less of an impact on the environment, and two, you are filling up that wallet with saved money, okay? So, first things first, we are going to have washcloths. You can use washcloths. You can use old socks maybe that you were going to throw out. Cut off the tops to them and fold them inside out. You can use those as well. You can go to the store, buy some washcloths. Use your old washcloths. Get new washcloths. Whatever you want, whatever cloth you have lying around, take it and use it, because we are going to put it in. I use an old coffee can. It's plastic, I know, but it works for this. So I reused it, staying out of the landfills, and it works for me. Now, I put these all throughout my house. I put them under the sink so that I can disinfect the sink and kitchen area really quick. I put them in the bathroom in between uses of using the toilet, and also when we are gonna, use the faucets, things like that, so everybody can just quickly clean up when they're done. I put them in the kids' playroom. I put them in the car. You can even, my mother had a great idea, you could put some in a little baggie, keep them in your purse or on your person, and if you're running into the store, you don't want to touch all that stuff. Everybody else has been touching all of the sanitary stuff. Bring your own. Bring these. Wipe down your car, go into the store, safe, okay? So, here we go. I have just a few little things. We're going to have our ingredients. I have them all measured out in bowls. I'll go through after the video. I will list all the ingredients and the measurements of what you need to do. So just relax and watch the video, okay? So we are going to take, it is 2 cups of boiled water or distilled water, because you don't want any bacteria in your water, right? Because these are going to be hanging around with you for a little bit. So we're going to pour 2 cups in. Distilled water, that's 2 cups. We have 1 cup of 70% rubbing alcohol. Now, you can use 140 alcohol. Don't drink it, you might forget to clean the house, but you can use 140. It will kill, we're going with the CDC guidelines on how to disinfect properly. So, this is 1 cup. We are pouring it right into our little mixing bowl, okay? Now, if you have granite, do not use rubbing alcohol. It will destroy your granite. If you're going to keep one in the kitchen to use, they recommend using witch hazel. Yes, witch hazel. So, instead of 1 cup of rubbing alcohol, you would use 1 cup of witch hazel. After that, you are going to add into your little mixing bowl, you are going to add in a tablespoon of dish soap, Castile soap, something of that nature, something that's going to be a good cleaning agent. And my secret little ingredient that I use is peppermint oil. And it's not for a fragrance, okay, because this is actually going to smell horrible at first, all right, because it's a lot of rubbing alcohol. That's your percentage. We're not doing this to make our house smell pretty. We'll make nice room sprays and stuff like that to top it off, make our environment smell beautiful. This is to kill the germs, to know that your house is safe, all right? The reason I'm using peppermint oil in this is because peppermint oil really gives a good to your grime areas. It's really gonna eat away at that grime so that you just have to do a quick swipe. Let the peppermint oil do its job. If you have mildew, you can add in tea tree oil. If you want to keep away fleas and things like that, you can add in cinnamon. You know, so we're only going to add just about 10 drops. So use whatever essential oils you want for the benefits that you need for your home. Because this is for you. You're making this, so you get to make it to the way that you want it. For your house, what works for you, okay? And it's simple. Simple, simple, simple. So here we go. We're going to do, fill her up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Not hard. We're giving it a quick little stir, stir, stir. We're going to take our fabrics. Mine's washcloths and some old little just cleaning rags that my daughter Savannah had sewed for me. We're going to throw them right into our bucket. Shove them in there. Pour it on. We're pouring, pouring, pouring. And done. Throw your top on. Stick it wherever you want in your house so that you can just quickly grab, do your cleaning, so that you can get to the good stuff in life, right? This is super simple, super cheap. I think I spent $1.80 on a small bottle of rubbing alcohol. If you're gonna buy in bulk, it's probably gonna be cheaper, right? But I get two batches out of the bottle. So at $1.88, what is that, like 94 cents? Super, way cheaper than the $8, $9 I was gonna spend for 34 throwaway disinfectant wipes. Okay? So you have fun making this. Here's to the simple life. Bye-bye, guys.